students, how are you? I wish all of you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, last class we solved basic 2 question. Today we discuss about the topics which is power. Dear students, today's topic is power. Now the topics we select today, power. And also we discuss the topics efficiency. You know that. What do you mean by efficiency? Efficiency. Dear students, now we want to discuss the first topics, power, and we also define power. Dear students, what do you mean by power or define power? Dear students, please understand my topics. The definition of the power is the rate of work done, or the rate of doing work, or transmission of the energy. Dear students, the rate of doing work. If you define this term, the rate of doing work is called power. You must get one number, or transmission of energy. The rate of doing work or transmission of energy is called power. You also get one number. Dear students, the rate of doing work or work done is same. So, from the definition, what is the formula of power? From definition, we find out the formula. Power, which is denoted by P. You know that the first term power is P. That's why we defined or we denoted the term of power is P. Now we find out the formula. There is the rate of doing work. That means the rate. That means time. So if you do any work, then you must need to select the time. As like as if you transfer a thing or object one place to another place, then if you select the time, suppose 10 seconds, then if you transfer the object into 10 seconds, then you have the power to do the work. So dear students, the formula P equals to W divided by T. Then how we get this? So if the time required is T and we do our work W in this time, then for 1 second, how much we work? 1 second, we find out the work done is W divided by T, and this term is called power. So we write down the term power P equal W divided by T. So dear students, if we find out the unit and dimension, then what do you see? Please listen to me carefully. Hi. Dear students, we know that the power P equal W divided by T. But the work done W equal to what? You know that from first lecture we see that W equal, suppose F is, we write down it, divided by T. Then the another formula is P equal F is divided by T. Dear friends, this is the another formula of power. Dear students, if you find out the another formula, then what do you see? Dear students, you know that A is divided by T. What is this? A is divided by T. Please remind your class chapter 2 in motion. What do you see? the uniform velocity v equal s divided by t, then we must be said that the height s is the displacement and the time is t. Then what do you see? Dear students, you see that the term power p equal f and h divided by t, that means v. So dear students, the velocity, that means power p equal force into velocity. This is the another term or another formula of power. So dear students, it is very easy to find out the other formula or another formula, or also a formula from here. P equal, dear students, you know that F, that means MA, you know that from chapter 3 force. F equal MA or mz, that means we find out the term F, mz and s divided by t. So dear students, this is the another formula of power P, that means P equal mg s divided by t. So dear students, we find out the formula of P is 4. That means number 1, P equal W divided by T. P equal T. P equal what? P equal W divided by T. And the second formula, P equal F divided by T. Dear students, the third formula, P equal Fv, where V is velocity, where V is velocity. And the four terms or four formula, number 4 formula, P equal mgs divided by t. So dear students, now we find out the unit. So what is the unit? You know how we calculate the unit. So dear students, please calculate the unit. And what do you get? What we get? Dear students, unit. What do you see, dear students? We know that P equal W divided by T. Dear students, you know that what is the unit of W? That means work. What is the unit of work? You know that the work unit is joule. Dear students, you know the unit of work is joule, and the time period, that means time, unit is second. If we put the unit, then we see the unit of power is joule per second. Dear students, the unit of power is joule per second. Then what do you see? You must be convert this unit in watts. That means W. It also denoted by W. Watt, that means W. So we say that the unit joule per second and the unit watt is same. That means we say that 1 watt equals to 1 joule per second. So dear students, this is the unit of power. We also get the another unit. What is this? The another unit is HP. What is this? HP? That means, dear students, HP means horsepower. Horsepower. So, what is horsepower? Horsepower is also the another unit of power, and it also convert in watts. How? Dear students, horsepower, that means HP, 1 HP, that means 746 watt. It's very important for MCQ. What is the term? Horsepower. That means 1 horsepower equals to 746 watt. Dear students, 1 horsepower equals to 746 watts. So dear students, how we get the dimension of power? We find out the dimension of power. How? Dear students, please follow my board. Dimension. You know that dimension must be in third bracket. Then what is the dimension of power? You know that the dimension of work. You know that the dimension of work. You must be understand this. The dimension of what is the dimension of work is m L square T inverse 2, and the dimension of time is T. So what is the dimension of power? We must be find out this m L square T inverse 3. Dear students, the dimension of power is m L square T inverse 3. Now, dear students, please understand that how we define 1 watt. The question is how we define 1 watt, or what do you mean by 1 watt? Dear students, please, 1 watt, how we define? Dear students, 1 watt, that means we know that 1 watt, that means 1 watt equals to 1 joule per second. 1 watt, that means 1 joule per second. Then the definition is, if 1 joule work is, dear students, if 1 joule work is done in 1 second, that means how we see that? If 1 joule work is done in 1 second, then we said the 1 watt. That means 1 watt. What do you mean by 1 watt? 1 watt mean by the 1 joule work is done by 1 second, or 1 joule work is done in 1 second is called 1 watt. Dear friends, 1 joule work, if 1 joule work is 1 joule, if 1 joule work is done in 1 second, if 1 second is called 1 watt. So dear students, you know that what do you mean by 1 watt, what do you mean by 1 HP, what is the unit of power, what is the unit of what is the dimension of power, what do you mean by power, what is the formula, or what is the formula of power? You see that. Now we discuss the another topics, efficiency. Dear students, what do you mean by efficiency? Efficiency, that means the ratio of effective power or effective work or effective energy. Dear students, efficiency, that means the ratio of what? The ratio of power. The ratio of what power? The ratio of effective power. And the ratio of effective power and the total given power. Dear friends, if we define efficiency into power, then we must be understand that we used power. How? Efficiency means the ratio of effective power, and the total given power is called efficiency. Or if we define within work or energy, then we say that the ratio of effective energy or effective work and the total given work or total given energy is called efficiency. So what is the formula? The formula is efficiency efficiency equals to efficiency which is denoted by eta equals to effective power divided by total given power. Dear students, efficiency has no unit. That's why we converted it into 100% or percentage. Then we must be multiply in 100%. So if we find out the formula of efficiency, then what do we see? Eta equal effective power, that means output which is get in the motors. So we say that P out divided by total given power, that means input power. So we say that P in, that means input into 100%. Dear students, if we transfer this into energy, then what do you see? We see that E out divided by time, E in divided by time. There is no change in time into 100%. So what do we see? Dear students, you see that the term eta equals to E out divided by E in. It's very interesting that power and energy's equation are same. So we say that the effective energy divided by total given energy. Total given energy, dear students, into 100%. That means if we define the term efficiency, we say that the ratio of effective power and the total given power is called efficiency, or the ratio of effective energy and the total given energy is called efficiency. It's a matter what you say or what you write. So dear students, I think you understand my topics, power and efficiency. We discuss the term, or we discuss in the next class in CQ problem within power and efficiency. So dear students, finally I also said that you must be stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.